In this particular video, let's discuss about very important questions regarding the IPO. So what will happen if you got a notification to approve a mandate request of IPO, but by mistake you declined that particular mandate request? Then in that case, what will happen? Is IPO is successful, or what you have to do? Can you apply once again? If you will apply once again, then any chances of the allotment? Is it considered as a multiple application or rejected if you will apply once again? So what will happen? So let's try to understand in this particular video. So if you are applying for a IPO using the UPI, then you will definitely got a notification on that particular UPI app, maybe Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, or Paytm, like that. So you got a notification, but there are some delay. You got a notification after some times, and by mistake you declined. It means what? It means your fund is not blocked. Your fund will only block if you will, approve that particular mandate. How you will approve? You have to provide your PIN code of that particular UPI application to approve the mandate request to block certain amount of fund. So definitely, since fund is not blocked, it means IPO is not applied. It means application not done. In this case, you need to apply once again. If you will apply once again, then there is a chances that allotment will be happen, means it will be considered during the allotment. It will not count as a multiple application. There are chances, it means this will be considered as a during the allotment. So if by mistake application mandate request is declined, then you need to apply once again. No need to fear. During the allotment there is a chances that allotment can be happen. Okay, the same chances. So I hope you understand. If you face any problem related to this, then please let us know.